Hi everyone, I'm going to do this makeup look with you today. This is kind of a get ready with me video, so stay tuned. First of all, we are going to apply my moisturizer. So I love to use this Shellow's aloe vera gel, and it's very moisturizing and provides soothing for my skin. Before applying my moisturizer, I already applied my toner, but today I'm not going to apply my sunscreen because in here it's little bit raining, so I don't think it's very good to apply a sunscreen. After applying my moisturizer, I'm going to apply my foundation. I love to use this CCUK's makeup stick, and it's the shade of MS3 beige. I bought this from a local store. Also, you can purchase this product from CCUK's official website. Just like this, I'm going to apply it all over my face, just like this. I think it's matching with my skin color. I have seen some others using beauty brushes, not brushes, but I personally don't like to use brushes. I love to use this beauty blender. Also, if you can add some little bit of water to this beauty blender, you can easily blend the foundation, because I feel like it's little bit dry, so I use some water. And also don't forget to use this foundation stick to your neck. After applying my foundation, I'm going to apply my powder. I'm using CCUK's cream compact powder. Recently I used this brush to apply my foundation, not the foundation actually. Recently I used this brush to apply my powder all over my face, so I think it's useful. This brush is the best. And done. After that, now I'm going to use this eyebrow pencil to fill my eyebrows. Here I'm using a dark brown shade. I personally don't like to use a black color because I think it's not matching with my skin tone, so I'm using this dark brown color. After filled my eyebrows, I'm going to brush it. By using a brush like this, I can knead all the eyebrow lines, and it seems like natural. Okay, I'm going to use my eyeshadow palette. This is my newest one from Vienna. The shade number is Rocky Rose number 2, like this. I'm using this brush to blend it. I think they don't have a mirror inside this box, so it's a little bit difficult. If this packaging has a mirror, I think it's very useful. Otherwise, I have to keep this apart and take another mirror, and I have to apply my eyeshadow. I think this is the first time I'm using Vienna. I already used their mascaras and lipsticks, also some powders, and they are really good. So I decided to purchase their eyeshadow palette. It's not too much pigmented, but it's good. I don't like too much pigmented eyeshadows because it's not good. After applying my eyeshadow, I'm going to apply my eyeliner. This is not from a good brand. It's from Huda Beauty, and it's a fake actually, not an original product. Okay, after applied my eyeliner, I'm going to apply my blusher. I'm also using Vienna's blusher. The shade number, oh, I can't find it, but it's like this. Remember, this blush is very pigmented. You don't have to take too much, and it's really pigmented. Okay, I'm going to take a little bit, not too much, and apply like this. If you apply too much blusher, you will seem like a clown, so don't use it too much. Oh, see, it's very pigmented. Oh, I think, oh my god, see, as you can see, it's very pigmented. Oh, don't worry, if you actually accidentally use too much blusher on your cheeks, it's okay. Take your powder brush and just powder it. Also, you can take some powders as well. Then you can remove it. After that, I'm going to apply my lip liner. I applied my lip liner. I used my lipstick from the brand CCUK, La La Land, MT17 La La Land, and let's see. I think you have to add, it's too much neutral, so I'm going to use a pink one to outline my lips again. I am done with my makeup and hair, so this is my final look. So what do you think? Please leave a comment about this makeup look.